Good morning and welcome to today's edition of Finxocapital Daily Financial News. We're here to navigate the shifts and turns of the financial markets together. Let's get started with today's top stories. And starting with US markets, Wall Street's main indexes closed lower yesterday. Investors reacted to higher than expected inflation numbers and a rise in unemployment claims, leaving the markets a bit uneasy. The Consumer Price Index showed a slight 0.2% rise in September, but jobless claims hit 258,000, well above estimates. This left traders uncertain about the Fed's next move on interest rates. In other US news, Federal Reserve officials are split. While Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic said he's comfortable holding off on rate cuts, other Fed members like Austin Goolsbee are hinting at gradual reductions over the next year. The question is, will the Fed make a move at their November meeting? Now, let's move to stock performance. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all saw minor losses, with the S&P 500 down by 11.99 points. Investors are now turning their attention to third-quarter earnings, especially as major banks are set to report their results today. Analysts are predicting a 5% year-over-year growth for the S&P 500. And in Forex news, the US dollar slipped from two-month highs. The increase in unemployment claims has fueled expectations of faster Fed rate cuts. The dollar remained strong but pulled back as traders readjusted their rate cut bets for November. Lastly, in commodities, oil prices surged more than 3% yesterday. This rally comes as US fuel demand spiked ahead of Hurricane Milton, which made landfall in Florida. Supply concerns from the Middle East are also keeping prices elevated. We'll be keeping a close eye on how this affects global markets. Thank you for tuning in to Finxocapital Daily Financial News. Keep an eye on the markets, and we'll continue to bring you the latest financial news and analysis. Have a great day.